Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So here I am back with your favorite deck. Yes, the Kali deck. I know how much you all wait for this deck whenever I bring, and you all just love and resonate so much with the Kali deck. So I also make it a point that at least once a week I make my followers, my students, and being my family members happy, so that you're happy and you know what Kali Mata is trying to tell you. So let's pick out a card. First card itself is Mahakali, so maybe she is also happy that she has come out today, and the cards have been out today. So many of you, your energies are so much in sync with her energies that she herself has come out today in the reading. But let's just pull one more card also. Let's pull two cards together, and then I shall predict how the day is going to be. Hope you all are resonating the readings. Hope you all are enjoying the readings, and do like the channel and let me know how it is. Kurukula, I think Kurukula came even last week. This week also Kurukula has come. Okay, so let's start with the card of Mahakali, the lady who is empowered and the first lady of the Dashamahavidyas, a lady who talks about kindness, love, grace. So today you can be rest assured that she is blessing you and she is telling you, I am there. Whatever you want to do, you do. The day is yours. Just go with the flow. Do whatever you need to do. Don't think even once, because she is there for you. Trust whatever is happening is because of her, and trust that she is handling everything. I would say a small prayer which you can tell for her. So the prayer will go like this. Oh dear Mahakali, I humbly acknowledge and understand that you are always there with me. I am open to the blessings which you are showering on me, and I am happy that your blessings are always there with me. Oh dear Mahakali, may you always shower your blessings on me. May your blessings be always there on me. I open my arms to get the hug from you and to get the beautiful, beautiful blessings of yours. Today also, if possible, offer her a lotus. If you get lotus near your place, wear the color red. Also chant any Kali Mata mantra which you like chanting, and I'm sure she's going to make your day beautiful and awesome. Now coming to Kurukula. I feel Kurukula is come as a supporting card today of Mahakali. She just says be ready, clear away all your distractions, because if Mahakali is there with you, then you need to show your fierce side and you need to start working on your plans and do whatever you want to do today and become successful. Overall, I feel it is a day of success. Whatever you do today will be in your favor and will work as a success for you. Try to spend some time at home also. Try to sort out your work related issues, because today whatever work you take, it's going to be successful and it is going to be in your favor. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.